guys, welcome back to my vlog. And for today's vlog, it is a very special day, or 3 days special. Basta, it's a very special day because today we are going to another country, which is actually let me just tell you later. My parents are there, so we went here first sa Shell para full tank si Baby P, our car. Right now we're gonna use car since, and Netherlands are really kind of like near, so it is a 4-hour-long drive. So I really hope that we're gonna have a lot of stops because I know that some of us has to pee or some of us are hungry. Guys, dito kami natatagalan dito. Ayan. So we're gonna check dun sa air ng gulong ni Baby P. Malamig na nga! Summer is ending na, guys, because it's autumn na, I think. The next summer. So, yeah. Kala ko makakaalis na kami, hindi pa pala. Mayroon pa palang air pump. Huh? Basta I don't know what that called. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Basta. Ayan na. Ayan na, guys! Ayun.
Tingnan mo nga.
Ang meron niya sa bunuatin is 2.9. Kumbaga, ina-ina nila.
Bahala kayo dyan, guys.
Sobrang tigas dun. 2.9 yun na sa atin?
Passenger princess check. Ako lang ang naghihintay, guys. One and only. Ako lang. Wow. Oh. Nice. I love it.
Tayo mo tayo dito.
So late na tayo makapag-check-in dun, di? Okay. There's 2 more hours, guys. Puti ni Mami, ah.
Oo, mabuti ako.
Wrong.
Yung order ko. Tingnan mo, same price. Pero yung order ko laki.
Ay, tigi-isa pala tayo, di. Grabe, hindi pala share-share ngayon.
Share.
Minus this one.
Yung coffee ko nandun sa akin.
Bakit hindi nyo pa po nakukuha?
Hindi, nandun sa ano. Hindi. Yung parang nandun sa ano, office.
Yummy. First bite.
Ang ganda itong sap-sap.
Kat mo din ay.
Magkano po ito niyo?
Bilhin mo? Bilhin ba?
If I finish it. Fast. Ang laki din yun.
Parang parehas lang naman yung laki niyan. Sa akin, pinapayat lang eh. Mahaba.
Ang hirap naman kainin nung sa'yo, di?
Okay, i-spin ko na ako sa Life Tower. We're going to Dubai.
Dubai. No! Oh my gosh. We're gonna tell you guys. Ay, diba, Lidi, nasa intro na yun eh.
Alin?
Nasa title na pala yun ng vlog.
Pwede mo lagyan ang title.
Sige. Secret muna.
Lagyan mo ang title. We're going to
Europe vlog. No, Europe travel.
Eurasia.
Eurasia. Ano tong in-order mo, di? Hotdog na?
Mexican panini.
Okay. Ang laki naman po. Oh my gosh.
Same lang ang price yan eh. Payatot lang yan. Pinahaba lang.
Yung kay Mami, feeling ko maubos na niya yan. Gutom si Mami.
Yeah.
Yeah? How confident are you, Mami?
1,000.
Oh, 1,000.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Messi eater pala si Mami.
Ano ba naman?
Mami, pagkela naman, no?
Thanks.
Oh my gosh.
Kailan talaga.
bilisan mo ano. Magpakabili na.
Pag 20 may work na ako, ganon.
For good ka sa Pinas.
Nor? Why?
Nag-asawa na. May anak na hindi.
Aga naman nun. Siguro pag nasa...
Nauna pang nag-for good sa Pilipinas.
Pag nasa 60, yun na yun, Min. Ay, hindi naman. No.
60, mag-scuba diving pa ako ng 60. 80, mag-ano pa ako, snorkeling.
Scuba, ano yun di yung parang tatalon sa sky? Ano yun?
Ayoko nun.
Guys, after 4 hours of driving, finally, maibababa na rin namin itong mga gamit na to, guys.
Double tree.
Yan.
Hotel natin.
Yeah, we're here at Doubletree Hotel.
Summer kagubatan
In reveal mo na. Philippines. Guys, it's still a secret. Sabihin namin sa loob. Yan. Ito ang view ng parking namin, guys. Ang ganda, tsaka nung on the way dito, grabe yung view, sobrang ganda. Philippines! Philippines! Parang hindi halatang Philippines. Hey! Mi! Ano mo sasabi mo, Mi, sa 4 hours mong driving, Mi? Uy! Goods? Yan.
Napagod ako.
Napagod si Daddy.
Napagod ako
Napagod. Hindi automatic. Grabe naman. Oh. Tagabuhat namin ng maleta, guys. We have 2 maletas. Akin yung isa dyan, yung kulay pink. Halo. Ayan. Go. Medyo malayo ang hotel namin, guys. Aray ko! Grabe, ang layo. Ito, guys. Ito ba yun, di ba? Parang ano ata, guys. Grabe, ang daming hawak. So, we're on the way. And actually, I'm so excited to roam around here in still secret. So, we're here in welcome to Doubletree by Hilton. Tanain!
Welcome to Doubletree.
Eh! Meron talagang welcome, guys.
Libre lang daw dito.
Yeah. Libre ng?
Ayun o, libre.
Ay, libre.
Tagalog. Ano ba yung libre na yan?
Libre Tagalog. Nasa Pinas nga tayo, guys. Charot lang.
Libre lang. Libre.
Let's go. Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-fee check, no? Ano tong ginagawa mo, di bakit may pa-sneak ka pa dyang tubig?
Infused water, di mo healthy living.
Ah, ganyan pa.
May gibo.
Taste test. Sarap? Maalat?
Hindi ko magugustuhan.
Ano yung pinag-giveaway nila, di? Nagpag-giveaway sila ng chocolates?
Chocolate cookie.
Yes! We're gonna taste this. Wow! Dito lang umitim si Mami, oh.
Ganda ng contest, binigay sa akin contest.
Ano, my gas. Katabi mo lang si Mami, oh. And what is our room? Ang room natin ay 1102. 1102! Finally.
Ito, Alia. Ito, lasang damo.
Tapos,
lasang mint. Ito, lasang lemon.
lemon, malamang may lemon di. Try mo yan na tong dahon dito. Parang ano ah. I'll try it later.
Mint yan, mint.
Ah, okay. Gets. Parang ang tagal naman ng elevator. Gusto ko nang tumaas at matulog.
Ako parang isang gummy bear.
Gummy bear na naman. Grabe, nag-i-enjoy si Daddy sa mga ganito ah. May swimming pool mi oh. May swimming pool mi oh. Meron akong pandalami.
Ayoko rin. Resort ako, ikaw.
Meron akong dinalang ano mi.
Mas baby yung ano.
Punta tayo siya.
Tara di. Maliligo ko with my pantulog, yun na yun. Marami pa naman akong damit eh.
Yun lang.
Okay lang yan, di. Madami naman akong damit.
Nakawad ako, makikita yung tato ko.
Tattoo. Tattoo. Or yung taba.
Yung tae?
Ay, yung tae. Ay, hindi ko gusto yung amoy, di. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun?
Amoy zombie.
Amoy zombie. Ay, anyari dito?
Amoy bago.
Ito. Ay, pinakadulo pala yung atin. Hala. Oh my gosh, hi! Come in, come in, come in. Come here. Okay. So, come here. So, I'm gonna tour you guys to my house. And actually, I just bought this one earlier. And as you guys can see, there's 3 beds. Which one should I pick? Syempre this one. No, I'm here kasi I have no choice. And makikita niyo dito ang view. Ang view na makikita ang car namin. Nandun lang siya, guys. Find where our car is. Okay, anyways, let's go here. I don't know what's here, but it's a table with a lot of papers.
See,
Oh! There's a paper. Dear Mrs. Nartates. Oh my gosh. A chocolate. sorry. Dear Mrs. Nartates, we are delighted to welcome you to the DoubleTree by Hilton, Luxembourg, guys. We're here in Luxembourg. So after 4 hours of drive, I decided to tell you guys we are here in Luxembourg because I want to keep it a secret so you guys would watch until the end. And there's a swimming pool, so I'm planning to swim. Since it's been a while, like it's been 5 months, guys. Like I miss the water, I miss everything. Oh, I forgot to show you. Oh, hair dryer. There's hair dryer, tea, and my money here. So here is the cabinet. Wait, how do you open this one? I can't open it. How do you open this one? There's a big cabinet here, guys, but it's not that important, so let's go here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's just like in our house, you know. I like it here. Oh, and at the same time, there's a bathtub. I can finally like spend my whole day here. Anyways, that's it because, you know, I don't really need a big room. And we are gonna interview this my mom. No, I'm gonna ask you one question. How do you feel that you're here in Luxembourg and you drove 4 hours to go here, to get to here?
Okay lang naman yung pag-drive. The drive is good.
Sorry, I can't understand you.
Spoken English? My God.
It's fine. I will translate.
Yeah, it's okay. And masarap yung hangin dito.
Guys.
Naranasahan namin masarap.
I will translate it. The air is lekker.
Oh my gosh, it's lekker.
The air is lekker.
Actually, guys, it's like more fresco yung hangin dito. Well, it's the same, but in Netherlands, it's starting to get cold na kasi. And you guys notice like
No air condition.
window? Like parang siyang malalaglag, but it's just this time. So it's sad that I couldn't like open it, but you know the air is coming in, so it's fine. Now I need to rest. So goodbye.
Goodbye.
I forgot to do a fit check. Here is what I bought in Roermond, guys. It's this t-shirt from, where is it from? Aspak? I forgot. This is my fit check for today. Hi guys. So, nasa labas na naman kami guys. And today's agenda is we're gonna use the public transportation.
Take note,
And
it's free.
yeah, the fact and the advantage of it is the bus is free, so we get to use it. And walang mababawas sa NS card
Not only
namin.
bus, but all transportation, right?
Oh yeah. Yes. And maglalakad naman kami ngayon, so no baby pee, guys. Any people.
Around.
Yeah. Parang sobrang less lang ng people here, guys. Like, it's like zombie apocalypse. Like it's not allowed to go out. But yeah, it's very sunny today. And yeah, parang malamig siya. So it's wait.
It's already 5:45.
5:45. Ay, mag-focus. 5:45. Yeah. So I'm ready to try it because it's our first time riding it for free, and at the same time it's here in Luxembourg, and yeah, first time naming lumabas.
My favorite country, you know.
It's your favorite country? Why? Because
I like the system.
hmm?
They are the most progressive country.
Wow, progressive country and the most richest.
There is no energy opportunity here, guys.
Oh, okay. So it's for just chill lang, ganon. And it's like, you know those, it's my first time seeing a lot of buildings again, like tall buildings. Oh my gosh, the bus is there na. I thought it was gonna stop there, pero dito pala. It's for free, guys, no bayad. Let's go, let's be fast. Bakit doon? Pwede naman dito.
Hey, that was really here.
I can go here na.
Okay, guys. Talia. See,
There's no
there's
bayad.
no song. Bayad.
Wala. Walang bayad, guys.
Legit.
Legit. Nice. Legit siya, guys. You must try this one if you're here in Luxembourg. So, I'm looking forward for the places that we are gonna go, so let's go! Guys, kabababa lang namin ng bus number 32, and now sasakyan namin is bus 16, and nahuli kami, guys. So hindi namin naabutan, like nandun pa lang kami sa pedestrian line and umalis na siya right in front of us. Ay, may ano siya, park, guys. Park. Nice. Parang siyang sa Bill Park. So guys, right now we finally came here in our destination. So we are here at La Belle Étoile Shopping Center, and actually guys, after 5 months, it's been a while since I saw this kind of big mall, and we're gonna go shopping. And Mami, di ba here medyo hindi expensive yung mga ano, so it's fine. We'll see. Oh my gosh. But we have to check. So we're gonna go enter. Oy! Grabe yun, naiwan ako. Ang bagal naman nito, but ang bagal. Ang bagal.
56. H&M.
H&M. Wow. My favorite stores are here. H&M, but it's kind of like expensive. Yeah. So we have to check for more. And I'm so hungry, guys. So let's see later. I'm hungry again. Ik heb honger. Yeah, ik heb honger. I need food. I need food. So ik heb honger. Yeah, ik heb honger. I am hungry yun eh. It's kind of... Oh. Okay. It's kind of like quiet here and some of the stores are closed already. Late na kasi tayo eh. 6:54. Oh my gosh. Well, ayun. Let's see what we can find here and we'll update you guys later. We're trying to find what stores can we go inside. Like ano yung most stores na pwede namin puntahan. Pero konti lang siya. Yeah. Try natin tumingin sa CNA ni. CNA. Let's go, you want? Okay, let's go. Yay! Because let's see if it's expensive or not. Because I also want to buy top. Like, I'll wear it if I can find right now. Huh? Guys, merong ano dito. Let me check if we can find. Oh my gosh, what? Kinda like hard to find. How much is this one? 65. Oh my gosh, 30%. All of them are expensive. Ay, di, tingnan mo, di. Ganda, oh.
Kano?
Let me see. Kasi meron siyang color. 80%. Mahal nga eh. Wow, maganda naman yung ano niya. So it's fine. Levi. 74. All of them are expensive, guys. So I'll just pick it. Oh. Okay. Guys, ayoko nga ito yung D. Kaso 59. 59.
Honeywell,
59. We're now here sa gadgets, guys. Iniwanan namin si Mami.
Electric pa, no? Kaso malamig na eh.
Eh di sa next summer.
Magkano ba yung sabi?
59 D. Nasa promotion siya. Kasi we saw this one and we needed that. Eh kaso taglamig na, guys. Magtataglamig na. So we kinda don't like really need it. Sige. Sure. Tingin-tingin lang, guys. Window shopping. Tara di. Asan ba yung Bose? We can't see. Bose. JBL lang nandito di. JBL, guys.
Maganda to. Hindi ka maganda to.
Ano ba yun di? Newscast?
Wala naman. Wala naman song.
Hindi kasi di ano lang yan. Wala yun dun yung katulad doon. Dali, maghanap pa. Guys, uuwi na kami because it's already 8:05 and magka-close sila ng 8, sobrang aga. Pero hindi pa halata and at the same time, late na kami kasi nag-shopping pa nga kami. Si Mami, yan, hindi tayo nakakain. Oh, hindi tayo nakakain. So, we have to go eat sa hotel na lang and that's fine. Let's see if, let's see if there's a lot of food there pa. Since Hindi pa naman masyado late, guys. And, ayun nga, sobrang liwanag pa. McDonald's. Let's go, let's go. Because we have to go na. Ang layo pa naman nito, guys. Anong oras na tayo uuwi? Lapit. 1 hour?
Ay, 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, 30 minutes. Let's go. Wala tayong car for today.
Tara, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Halatang ano pa, guys. Oh.
Saan? Takot sa may araw.
Yay!
What time is it? Time check.
8:07 p.m. Hindi pa naman ganun ka-late. Sana dinala natin si Baby P.
Vacation.
I don't know. Oh. Label toilet. Toilet. Label Stoil, yeah. Shopping center. And wala, sayang di pa natin masyado na explore yung mall, but it's fine. Yeah. 8 p.m. mga ganun ang close nila. So let's go. Where we sakay? Burger King? Yeah. Let's go. Tara. Gusto ko ng ganong card eh. Open yung ano.
Mag-aaral kayo mabuti.
Uy.
Ay.
Okay.
Gusto niya ng OD top down. Para sabihin ko mag-aaral ka
Oh, di top done. I will.
Okay.
Now let's eat, guys.
Yes, good. Lilibre kita ng fuel.
We will. When I'm
Fuel,
already
fuel lang
older.
namin.
When I'm already old. Then we can. Then you can give
You
me
manage by
fuel.
yourself? Okay, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
You're already strong, independent women. Okay, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Si Mami talaga pag nagugutom na kaya niyang mag-navigate ng pagkain.
Oh.
That's one of her advantages, you know. So, let's go and let's go home because it's already,
Credits to the cameraman.
yeah, credits to the cameraman.
Cameraman.
Hey. Hey. Ala,
Kita yung sinabi ko dapat.
ala, minatapakan ka, Tami.
Si Mami mo nakatapak ng tae.
Oh my gosh. We're going to eat there, Burger King. There. Nakita nga agad ni Mami, sana hindi pa close. Sana hindi pa close, no? Huwag naman sana.
Gusto mo yan? Burger King?
Guys, we're now here at Burger King. I've never ran as this kind of hunger in my life. Charot. Ay, may mga crown. There's crowns. Gusto ko mag-wear ng crown. Charot.
Oo ba?
Para sa vlog later. Oh, yung puti niya dito. Ang galing. Ang puti. Oh my gosh. Bakit sa akin ang itim? Nakabibid kasi ata. We
Ako
ordered...
bibigyan kita. Ako hindi isa.
Dali.
Ken?
Ano to? Didilim to kasi... ano eh. Sige.
Tama.
Sige to go. We're finally gonna eat.
Maliwanag, maliwanag oh.
Yeah. I'm so hungry. We're so hungry. All of us are so hungry. Kaya napapatahimik ako sometimes. Onion.
Yeah. Grab onion. Binibetray mo. You're betraying, you betrayed the McDo. Lagi ka nasa McDonald's ka ngayon. Ayun Guys,
Wag niyo ipakita yung background.
Talia is betraying the McDonald's.
Yola? Loyal ako sa background.
Royal ka sa McDo eh. Yari ka, ka ngayon. Hindi na mahalata yun Kitang-kita yung pangalan.
Pero, mas masarap dito yung...
Lagot ka.
Yung patty. Ano,
Isusuka ni McDonald's. Naka-tie up ka na dun sa Netherlands.
Kasi nasa... Angus po ata yun, Angus.
Sa Cantaksil.
No. At least it's in a different
Si Mami mo rin. Isa rin ito. Ito rin isang taksil. Taksil sa McDonald's. Dito pa kumain sa harapan ng... Yari kayo.
Okay lang yan. Nagsarado na kasi yung mall eh.